In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually make money online for free. And don't worry, you don't need complicated websites. Hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money online for free without creating complicated websites. Okay, let me share with you my screen because I actually want to make sure that we are going to be on the same page. Okay, there are a couple of things that we need and there are a couple of websites that we're going to be using. Okay, I'm going to show you with which websites I use. Okay, I'm also going to mention some alternative so you're gonna have, like an idea and all this stuff. So, okay, first thing first, we will need a product to promote. Don't worry, you don't have to create your own product. You don't have to create your own service. You can go to a website such as ClickBank. Okay, this is a website that I'm going to be using. If for some reason you cannot use ClickBank, you can always use JVZoo, WirePlus, DStore24, Commission Junction. You can just literally type ClickBank alternatives. There are tons of websites that actually you can use to find the product and you are going to be an affiliate. Okay. That's what you're going to be doing. You're going to click here where it says affiliates start here. Okay. Sometimes they do have a questionnaire. Sometimes they don't. So please make sure that you're going to fill all the information so you can create your account. Once you create your account, you're going to land on a website that looks like this. Okay, sometimes they have the top offer, new offer, and save offer. Okay, this website can change in the future because, things change. They're doing some upgrades and more stuff. But the most important thing here, guys, is that you're going to have access to their marketplace. Okay, there are tons of categories. For this website, I'm going to go with the health and fitness. That's the category I'm going to be doing. Okay, so here on health and fitness, here on ClickBank, okay, I went here where it says gravity high to low. Okay, here gravity high to low. The reason why I'm doing that because on ClickBank per se, gravity means that there are tons of people who are making commissions with the website or with the actual product that we are actually going to be promoting. Okay, in this case, for example, we have Mitolin. Okay, we have this one. We have the Prodentin. This is a product that I've been using in the past. Okay. So as you can see, all of these websites are giving affiliates a great commission over $100. So that means that if you get 10 sales, you're going to be getting over $1,000. Okay, which is actually amazing. And they have something really important, which is the affiliate page. Sometimes it's called the affiliate resource. Okay, if you click on the affiliate page, you are going to notice for this specific product, and it's also here on the description, that they are sharing an 85% commission. Okay, so it's a really high commission for this product. Not all of them give 85%, but this specific give you guys 85%. So here we have the affiliate, the exclusive affiliate zone in which you're going to have more information about your tracking link. Again, they're sharing you that, um, that the default is 75% on sale. Click the button below to add the ID, which I already did. And now you're going to be upgraded to 85%. Okay. They are giving me some details about their demographics. Okay. Gender, female, location, age, they're also giving me some email swipes and some recommendation. It says you might only send to up in subscribers. By default, you're tracking from the above is already embedded. So the code that I already gave them my username, right? We recommend to email to the BSL, the full page, to best conversion, send all when open 24 hours after your first email to improve sales. Okay. So they're giving me some emails, some images, and all this stuff. Okay. So now that I have that, okay, I'm going to see how the actual page looks like, looks really professional. Of course, this is the product that I'm actually promoting. Okay. I need to know more about it. Okay. It's offering different, one bottle, $59, bundle pack, more popular, you know, and it's giving the audience some bonuses if they go with the higher option, 3 bottles or 6 bottles. These are, what they are actually gonna receive. Also, for shipping, what is actually all about. Okay, I already checked on this, so I have an idea what this product is. It's all about. So with that said, I need to go to the next step, which is I'm gonna need to offer a free product. Okay, this is what it's called a lead magnet. Okay, nowadays we have tools such as ChatGPT that literally it helps people create their uh, lead magnet for free. Okay. I decided to go with a guide. Okay. If you're not sure what to offer, you can even ask ChatGPT, like for this specific product, what type of lead magnet can I offer? Okay. And ChatGPT is going to give you some ideas. Okay. So since this is the weight loss niche, I'm asking ChatGPT help me by writing a guide with 7 steps on how to lose weight. Okay. And it gives me these 7 steps that I can put on a free guide. Okay. I can ask ChatGPT that, I want maybe a 20,000 word, 10,000 word guide. Okay. I can tell ChatGPT like, hey, I want to have more in-depth information. Okay. Or it can be as simple as this with some images. Okay. This is valuable information that people are going to get for free. Okay. So nowadays we also have another great tool, which is called Canva. Here on Canva, you're going to notice that here at the top, I put ebook. Here, these are the top are the ebooks that are already created with Canva. And here we have some designs that you can use. Some of them they have like this. These are the pages already included. Some of them just have like the cover. For example, this one is just the cover and that's it. Okay, you're going to choose the one that you like. Okay, you're going to choose the one that you like. You're going to select it and you're going to have the opportunity to edit it. It's literally drag and drop. Okay, you're going to literally drag and drop. One good thing that I like about Canva is that if I go here where it says elements, I'm going to have more elements. These can be images. These can be shapes. Okay, I can type here the element that I want to use and Canva is going to give me, some information. Nowadays, they also have these AI image generating, which you can literally describe what you have in mind and a Canva is going to be doing it. Once you have everything laid out here, okay, in order to share it, you're going to click here where it says share and you're going to click here where it says anyone with the link, okay, I don't want them to edit it. I want them to view. And this is the link that I'm going to copy it. Okay. This is the link that I'm going to be giving away for free. So now you have this option. Another option that if you want to go that route, you can go to Fiverr, fiverr.com, and you're going to type, for example, ebook. Okay. And you're going to have people who are professional designers who can actually do the layout for you, who can actually do, okay, the design for you. Okay. This is another option if you want to go that route. This is 100% optional. Okay. Because you can do it on Canva, but just in case that you're doing or looking to do something, different, this is a route that definitely you can go with. Okay. So now we have the product that we're going to promote. We have the free product that we are going to giving away. Okay. Now we need to create what is called an opt-in page. Okay. The tool that I'm going to be using and the one that I recommend, it's called System.io. If you use the link in the description, you can open your free System.io account. Okay. I already have an in-depth tutorial of how you can create a System.io opt-in page, a System.io email sequence. This is actually on this channel. So you can literally just type my name and System.io and you're going to be able to find it. Okay. Now I'm going to be doing this really fast, but just for you guys to know that I already have an in-depth training about that. I don't want this tutorial to be super long. So once you create your account, you're going to go here where it says websites and you're going to go here where it says sales funnels. You're going to click here where it says create. And now it's going to be asking me like, hey, what's the name of your funnel? So I can put the name of the product. In this case, I'm going to go into tutorial. Okay. I already have a domain connected here and I'm going to be building an audience. Okay. I'm going to click here where it says save. I'm going to click the name and now it's asking me like, hey, what's the actual template that you would like to go ahead and use? I'm going to put that I want to see way more. Okay. I want something super simple. That's the route that I usually use because I want people just something like this. That, hey, there is just one thing that they can do. I can remove this and I can just literally keep this here at the top. Maybe even remove the logo. Okay. Something super simple. Let's go with this one. Okay. They're simpler here. Okay. But I'm going to go with this one so I can show you how things are done. Okay. So I'm going to click here where it says edit page. Okay. I'm going to click here where it says edit page. And what I'm going to be giving away is the free guide that I have here. So people can discover the 7 steps on how to lose weight. Okay. And here is the test, 7 days of how to lose weight effectively. Okay. So I can delete this, for example. Okay. I can also go ahead and delete this because I want it to be simple. I can also go ahead and delete this. And maybe I'm just going to leave this, okay, the footer. Okay, let's say that I already edited. If you want to change the image, you can click on the image. And here you can replace the image. If you want to change the text, literally everything here is double clicking, drag and drop, typing. If you want to make the text smaller, you can make it smaller. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want to change the color, you can go here and you can change the color. Let's say I want it to be red. Literally, let's say that I already edited it. Okay, so I'm going to click here where it says save changes. Okay. Let's say that I already edit my thank you page. Here, this is how everything is going to work. Okay. So I'm going to have here my opt-in page. Okay. Opt-in. People leave their name and email address. They go to what we call a bridge page in which we tell them like, hey, your ebook is on your way. Okay. It's on your email. But if you're really serious about losing weight, okay, check out this product, which is the product that we are actually promoting. Okay. So here on the thank you page, we are going to be adding the link for the product. Okay. This one that we go here on promote. Okay. This one that we got here on promote. That's the one that we put here on the thank you page. I'm going to choose a simple thank you page. Okay. I'm going to go with something simple. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one, right? Because I'm giving away an ebook. Okay. So I'm telling like, hey, your ebook is actually on your way. But if you're serious about losing weight or want to get more information, I can actually delete this. I can actually delete this as well. So this is where I put the link, which is going to be here. Okay. Here is the link and promote. I'm going to put here where it says save. So now, whenever they leave their name and email address, I can start sending email information about the product. Just in case that they didn't make the purchase, I can send more information about the product, and I can also share more information about other products and services in the future. Okay, this is actually how we make money while we sleep. Okay, this is how actually we make money while we sleep, because we can send emails automatically. Remember that I have an in-depth tutorial of how you can create a capture page, how you can create an email sequence on System.io here on my channel. Okay, so now we need eyeballs. Okay, we need eyeballs. We need people who are going to go here. So for that, we are going to be using Pinterest. Here on Pinterest, you're going to notice that these are really simple images. For example, this one is literally, it says how to lose 40 pounds in 30 days without starving. Okay, this is text and an image. So it's not something super complex. And I can actually share my link, which is going to be to the opt-in page that I did. Okay, so whenever they click it, they are going to go to that page. Okay, um, some people underestimate Pinterest because they forget the fact that Pinterest, it's also a search engine. Okay, so there is a lot of people here who are looking for information. How you can create the pins? Again, you can go to Canva. Here on Canva.com, you can type Pinterest. These are some of the pins that I can create in the past. And literally, you are going to have tons of pins that you can customize. Remember that Canva give you images and elements and all this stuff. So the more pins you create, the more traffic you're going to get. And one cool thing about Pinterest is the fact that you don't need tons of followers in order to be in front of a lot of eyeballs, because of the fact that it is actually a search engine. So guys, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to learn more about what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Again, don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.